Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 270 Boston Whaler Vantage. This boat is absolutely awesome, I'll tell you. Very big, comfortable area here in the bow of the boat. Plenty of seating. The cushions are removable for those days you're fishing. It does have a table that is also removable. And this boat's equipped with a really nice forward sunshade that stows away when you're running. As we work our way back to the boat, it has this very unique passenger seat that folds in several different configurations. Drops down, makes for a great sun lounger. Lays all the way flat if you want to catch a nap. This boat does have a very nice head compartment with lots of room in it. It's a little difficult to see in a video. The helm of this boat, absolutely awesome. Very comfortable to sit at, easy to reach everything. Raymarine GPS fish finder. Has a great sounding stereo system. Very, very comfortable boat. This boat is equipped with a helm seat that's very nice. It flips up in the front, makes a bolster so you can stand and run the boat, or folds down for a real comfortable chair. Boat has a built-in cooler that is removable. Nice sink area. Very comfortable aft seat. And what's nice with this aft seat, it folds up easily. Gets out of your way, and then you've got a huge cockpit. So whether you're at the sandbar with a family, doing a dinner cruise, or wanting to fish serious, this boat can do it for you. And these twin Mercury 250 4-strokes, phenomenal power, very quiet, very fuel efficient, absolutely awesome. Boat also has a canvas enclosure around the hardtop. The boat's a nice, beautiful light blue color, and the underneath of the hardtop is the light blue as well. Really looks beautiful, I'll tell you. All right, to get out and ride on this boat, and for more information, please feel free to give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.